When you search for the best rowing machine workouts, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Yosuda Magnetic Rower. Let's kick things off with the Yosuda rowing machine. Priced at $189.99, this magnetic rower caught my attention with its digital monitor and Bluetooth connectivity. If you want a customizable workout experience that adapts to your fitness level, this is worth a serious look. The Yosuda offers up to 72 Libra of magnetic resistance, adjustable across 16 levels, so whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, you can tailor your workouts. It measures calories burned, stroke count, and time on an easy-to-read LCD screen, which matters because tracking your progress keeps you motivated. Plus, the near-silent operation means you can row at any time without disturbing anyone around you. Now, some users mentioned that the assembly instructions could be clearer. I get it, fumbling through instructions can be a pain. But honestly, if you can follow a basic manual, you should be fine getting this machine up and running in about 25 minutes. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid first rowing machine that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need something with advanced features or a super premium build, but for the price, it's a strong choice. Now, if the assembly concern bothered you, the next option might handle that even better.
Product number 2, YPO Magnetic Rowing Machine. The YPO rowing machine, which comes in at $169.98. Its compact design really stood out to me, especially for smaller spaces. If you're looking for something that delivers a full body workout without taking up much room, this one's worth checking out. With 16 levels of resistance and a noise level under 25 decibels, you can get your sweat on without waking the neighbors. It supports up to 350 pounds and accommodates users from 4 feet 5 to 6 feet 3, which is great for family use. The cushioned seat and textured handles make longer sessions more comfortable, addressing the common pain points associated with rowing machines. However, some people mention the foot straps could feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, they do the job, but if you're someone who wants ultra-high durability in every component, you might want to consider that. This is a solid pick if you want a budget-friendly rowing machine that still offers plenty of power and comfort. Skip this if you need advanced features or are on the taller side, as it may not suit your needs perfectly. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more advanced tracking system.
Product number 3, Winokur Magnetic Rowing Machine, Dark Red. The Winokur rowing machine in dark red is next. I really like the sleek look, but what's even better is its performance. If you want something that not only looks good, but also delivers an intense workout, this could be your pick. This machine offers 16 levels of magnetic resistance, and it's also super quiet, operating at less than 30 decibels. It targets over 90% of your muscles, making it a powerhouse for both cardio and strength training. Plus, the smart LCD display tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, all essential metrics for optimizing your workouts. Now, some users have pointed out that it's a bit heavier than they expected, which can make moving it around a hassle. But honestly, the stability it provides during intense workouts outweighs that drawback for most. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality rowing machine that delivers results and fits in a compact space. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option you can easily move around every day. Now, if you want something even more convenient, the next product has that covered.
Product number 4, Winokur Rowing Machine, Blue, for $259.99. It boasts a similar set of features as the previous one, but with a few added perks. If you want a machine that keeps you entertained while you work out, this one's for you. This rower also has a smart LCD monitor and is compatible with fitness apps via Bluetooth. You can easily track your performance and even watch videos while you row, which is a huge bonus for those long sessions. Plus, it maintains that quiet operation under 30 decibels, making it ideal for home use. However, a few users did mention that the app connectivity can be finicky sometimes. Here's the thing, while it's a great feature, if you're not tech-savvy or don't plan on using it, you might not miss it at all. This is perfect for you if you want an interactive workout experience and enjoy following along with online classes. Skip this one if you're not into tech or just want a straightforward rowing machine. Now, if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, the final pick is an excellent choice.
Product number 5, Winokur Wood Grain Rower. We have the Winokur wood grain rowing machine priced at $179.99. This machine caught my eye with its unique aesthetic. If you want a rowing machine that doesn't just perform well, but also fits nicely into your home decor, check this one out. It features the same reliable magnetic resistance and can support up to 350 pounds. The LCD monitor helps you track your progress, and yes, it also comes with a tablet holder. This means you can stay entertained while you row, just like the previous models. It's designed for easy assembly and can be stored vertically, which is a major plus for small spaces. Some users noted that the wood grain finish could be prone to scratches. Here's the thing though, as long as you're careful, it shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially for the price. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional rowing machine that won't take up too much space. Skip this one if you prefer a more industrial look or need heavy-duty materials for rigorous workouts. Let's wrap this up by comparing all 5 options. Each of these rowing machines brings something unique to the table, whether it's price, features, or aesthetics. No matter which you choose, you're set to get a great workout in the comfort of your home.
We covered the Yosida, Yaipu, Winokur's dark red and blue models, and the stylish wood grain option. Each one offers a variety of features to fit different needs and budgets. So, whether you're looking for a high-tech experience or something more classic, there's definitely a rowing machine here for you.